Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining me in the craft room today. Today is Joya Blue. It's a collaboration that I started. We come to you once a month with projects that have blue in them. They could be anything. It doesn't have to be paper crafts, could be resin, quilting, I don't know, spray painting, whatever. Anything with blue. It doesn't have to be all blue. It can be a splash of blue. Be sure to check the links in the description down below to see what the other collaborators made. We have people here on YouTube and then some more on Instagram. And if you want to join us, you can follow along with the hashtag in the description. You may have seen this last month and I made some changes. I made it at the beach when I was traveling and I decided I did want it sewn together. Maybe it would have been nice as an art journal to take the pages out, but it just felt floppy and awkward to me. It didn't feel like I wanted to take it and sit in a chair and write in it or journal in it. So I sewed it together. I have 2 signatures and then I just put a little charm right here and I left the strings hanging. I put the strings on the outside because I thought that kind of went with this book and this cover. I didn't make very many changes to the inside, so we'll just do like a quick peek. And if you want to see more about this, you can see last month's video. I added a bird sticker. I did add this page. I thought it needed a little splash of color, and I put in, I think, a couple more white ones too. One of the signatures was a little thin, and a star paper clip. And then I added something in the back. And I think that's about it. This journal, I think it would be super fun for whatever. Your story, your dreams, project ideas, what you want to do with 2023 and how you're going to make it amazing. I don't know. It feels kind of cool too. Because it has the painted texture, it just, I don't know. It feels different than most of them. And it's not a refined, elegant journal. That's not what I was going for here. I didn't cover everything up. It's obvious, I think, that this is a mailing envelope, but it's a really cool one now. So that's the journal. I just wanted you to see how I changed it up. I did like this silver tie sticking out of it, but I didn't like how it felt. It just didn't feel cool to open it up and move around. It felt like you had to balance and hang on to everything. This way, you can't take the pages out, but you still have really big workspaces. And this is a heavier weight paper. Okay, were you watching Smash Our Stash this month? Earlier in the month, on the 7th, I did a collaboration with Bourbon Creek Crafts called Smash Our Stash. And Beth picks a category. And this month was washi tape and peel-offs, which are these long, skinny stickers. They come on sheets like this, and they're really narrow. This company, stamponit.net, sent me samples of theirs. It's a European company that makes these things that we call peel-offs. And stamponit.net sent me Merry Christmas, and they sent me tons of snowflakes and all kinds of great stuff. So when I got all of those out, I thought, oh, I have these too. And then I made the washi tape cards for Christmas, but I wanted to make some Joya Blue ones too. So you can see this is just washi tape wrapped around a piece of paper and then another layer matted and then a sticker for the sentiment. Same exact thing here, just horizontal instead of vertical and a different sticker. This one has a bit of chipboard that I had sitting around saying I'm going to use it. And since this one had the red in it, I went Merry Christmas from our house to yours and picked up that red. Christmas Wishes. This is a die cut double layer on top of washi. And this one is a border, a ruffled border washi. I've just gone 2 different ways, so it gives the left and a right. More of the stickers from the same company, Merry Christmas and 2 Merry Christmases and a little snowman. And it's on silver shimmer paper. I don't know if you can tell that. So I really had fun with the washi tape cards. That was, one of you commented, that I said I wouldn't have made the cards. I wouldn't have gotten out the washi tape and used it if it wasn't for the collaboration. So if you don't follow along on Smash Our Stash, at least look around your room and dig into it and really see what's in there that you should use, because I bet you have good stuff. This is, what you see here is almost 2 sheets of 6x6 paper. These little envelopes are made out of a 3x3 square, and The fatter ones I made by hand, sort of estimating, and then the longer ones like this, I actually used my scoreboard with the angle tool to make envelopes and sort of figured out, what do I think if I did it right and not just winging it and folding them. I like them both, and I think they're pretty cute. I might ink the edges. I'm not sure what, since this paper is so dark. Maybe I have some silver or some white that I could hit it with. That might be fun. But I just thought these would be fun in journals, here and there. Really fun holiday ideas. You could do an advent calendar, but I don't know that I want to make 25 of them. Especially probably not sets for a craft fair, but they're cute. They're fun to make while you're watching TV. So for Joy of Blue this month, I wrapped this up, made these, and I have these cards. The idea of Joy of Blue is just to inspire you to craft, to make something with blue. So get your stuff out and have fun. And I hope that you're taking good care of yourselves and taking time for crafting and relaxing. Don't forget to check out the other videos. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.